Hello everyone. In today's episode of Life with Me Day, I am going to show you how to make cashew milk. Unlike almond milk, you don't have to strain and it's locally sourced, so it's a win-win. For this recipe, we would need water, raw cashew nuts, a measuring cup, and a bowl. Next up, I will measure out 1 cup of raw cashew nuts, and cover it with water. You would have to let it soak for a minimum of 4 hours. I'm going to let it stay overnight. But this I've been soaking for more than 4 hours. Like I said earlier, a minimum of 4 hours is all you need. Give the soaked cashew nuts a good rinse. Next, we will add the cashew nuts into a high-powered blender. Add 4 cups of water, a pinch of salt. You can add any sweetener of your choice, but I'm omitting that. A couple drops of vanilla extract. You pulse for like a minute until you have a milky, creamy consistency. While that is done, transfer the cashew milk into a storage container and store it in the refrigerator. And there you go, creamy, milky nut milk. Super simple and super yummy. Thank you for watching.